it don't move. Hey y'all, it's Rita June, and I'm coming on today with this baby here. Y'all see her, right? Guess what? It's glueless. And guess what? It's pre-cut. Pre-plucked, okay? And it's just giving a melted look without being glued down, okay? So if you're interested in this wig from Unice, then stay tuned. My wig's gonna slay all day. Y'all like them rhymes? So when I tell y'all, these wig companies are making it so easy for us, okay? So this is one of Unice's wear and go wigs. It's already pre-cut, y'all. But before we get into all of that, let's go ahead and see these free goodies and I'll come back on. So this wig was sent over to me from Unice, and I want to thank Unice for even thinking of little old me. But this is one of their wear and go 6x4.5 pre-cut lace wigs. It is in a black color. It does have that breathable air cap, y'all. I have her in 150% density, and it is 24 inches long. So this is a true glueless wig. It has 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 on the back. It also have the adjustable elastic band, and it also have this cool silicone strip along the hairline for extra security. So I'm one who likes to co-wash my wigs when I first get them. You could definitely wear this straight out the box and make it a true wear and go. But I did decide to co-wash it, and I'm just going to go ahead and redefine these curls. So now I have the curls all defined. I have the hairline laid down like I want it to be. And now I'm just going to let it air dry. All right, so she all dry, y'all. Like, look at these curls. Oh my God, it's so soft, so pretty. Look at this lace. Pre-cut for us, so we don't gotta do no work. The inside of this cap looks the bomb. And I'm not going to tint the lace. I'm going to see how well it matches without me doing all of that. Y'all, Unice say don't play with us. So I decided to go ahead and add some lace tint just so it can be even more seamless. And as you see, it's looking really good, but I do have a low hairline, so I'm gonna have to go in and customize the hairline a little bit. But look, y'all. Okay, look at that. Yeah. So while the hairline was melting, I went on in to find my part, as well as add a little bit of holding spray and a little bit of bio silk just to add my finishing touches. And now I'm just combing out the hairline a little bit because I like it to look a little soft. But other than that, I am ready to go. So y'all, I got my birthday wig, okay? My birthday is coming up August 3rd. Leo, stand up, okay? And I'm definitely gonna be wearing this baby for my birthday because it is too cute. It's too cute. It's glueless, okay? It's cute, okay? I didn't have to do nothing to this wig, okay? Okay? As y'all saw, the styling and the installation of this wig, easy, okay? And if I wanted to, I could have put her on straight out the box. So I am loving that. It's really no cons. When I co-washed her, I got a little bit of shedding, but that's to me to be expected with curly hair. Beautiful hair, soft, flowy. I didn't have to cut no lace. Did I say I had to cut no lace? Like, a lot of people are scared of lace wigs because they don't want to have to cut the lace, but Unice has took that out of your worries. They tweeze the hairline for you, and I don't have it melted down right now, but if I put a little bit of spray and tie her down with that melt band, yes. I want to show you guys how melted you can get your lace to look. Okay, even before I put the mousse up there, it was already laying. This is a 6 by 4.5, and I think it's perfect. If you don't have low edges like me, you can really tap this down and really give frontal. Okay, really give frontal. But because of my hairline and my forehead situation, if I would bring her down, she gonna be right here. So I'm gonna leave her right here, right at the start of my hairline, and finesse it to fit me. But that was nothing, okay? I still had it easy. If this wig was bleached, I'm happy with the way it's looking. Y'all see it? Yeah, I'm happy with the way it's looking. I just did tint the lace because I felt like it was a little ashy. And I actually went outside so you guys can see how it looks without being like glued down or melted down per se, even though I use a little bit of foam wrap. But you see that even though I use the foam wrap, it's not, you know, it's not down. I just get the lace to lay down a little bit whenever I use the foam wrap. But if I want to go in and melt this with some like got to be or something, or even spray, yes. 9.5 out of 10 because they were not form bleached, but it really don't need to be bleached, y'all. So this is everything. Really securing this wig. I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. Like, it don't move. Y'all, just me flipping it, girl. I hope I went over everything that this wig has to offer. And if you're interested, I will have a link and everything down below. But thank you guys for watching and tuning in. And thank you again, Unice, for sending me this wig. And if you have any questions or anything, leave it down below. And I'll talk to y'all later. All right? Bye.